in my head, do all that stuff. When he settled, have he come back? Where was I? Oh, let's start. Free yourself. Don't come and kill yourself. This thing will always be there. So take it slow, steady, don't rush. If you're finding it difficult to make money, go back to the principle. Find out what you're doing wrong, correct yourself, and start afresh. Starting afresh, it will give you superpower. I do start afresh every year. I don't start with $1 anymore. I do the least I always start with is either $200 or $300. But sometimes when I don't want to start with $200 or $300, I go back to $50. Okay, so once I go back to $50, I'll make sure I grow that $50 to $150. Once it becomes $150, then I'll trade again, another period of trade till it gets to $300. So once it gets to that $300, I'll now start the main project. Guess what? The project is not to make $300. I think at a point I've shared it, and I've shared the workbook. The workbook is on my Telegram group. Yes, I've shared it. So you can grow it. I think there was a month I recorded the whole session. Yeah, there was a month I recorded the whole session. Well, that 300. Yeah, I recorded 300. You see that 300, there was 50. I started from $50 before I got that money. Why? I like to collect the money from binary. So it is profit money. Hello, it's profit money. 9 sweet pass to trade. Your mind is not going to be there. You're going to be free. You're not thinking anything. You don't have anything to lose. So guys, take it easy, slow, steady. Any question? Anybody with any question? Any question? Wisdom. Wisdom is here. All my TMNmedia squad, the special squad, they are here. I'm just seeing all of them. They are here. Okay, great to have you guys. I just feel like sharing with you. From offward, you're going to be hearing probably more of just me sharing, teaching, giving you insight, what to do, what not to do. And I'll make it open on my channel here and on Trade with TMNmedia. Okay, I'll refer some of you to the channel once I want to start. I'm not starting now, okay? Probably end of the month, that's when I'm going to start. So the series are going to be more of teaching series, practical session, questions, and they're not going to be more than 20, 30 minutes. I don't want them too long, 20, 30 minutes. If it's too long, whatever we could not talk, we'll do it another session, okay, another series. So I just want it to be, it's because of binary, or because of DERIV. I created that channel, but I didn't want to start using it until I'm ready. So once I'm ready for it, it's just a training. It's training and it's free. Hello, free. You're not paying anything. I'm not asking you to give me anything. I will show you how can you be consistent. These things I'm telling you, they look very simple, very easy, okay? But you see, I had to experience everything that some of you are experiencing now. I had to experience and learn from them. Make error, correct. They've told me what to do. Okay, my guys have told me what to do. But because of the stubbornness and the spirit of make more, collect more, greediness, where you two you carry for head like a chieftaincy title, that thing, they make person do and suffer. You go suffer yourself, do nonsense. So don't live that way. Me, I've gone there. I don't want you to waste your time. It will not help you. Do the needful, and you won't regret it. So God bless you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for staying with me all the while. All the people that are connected, thank you. I really appreciate you. Let me even check most of them. How do you check these people now? How do you check? How do you check people now? I don't understand.